Welcome back to S-Mobile, your trusted source for the latest in smartphone tech. Today, we're diving into the all-new Poco F7 Ultra 2025, a device that's making waves with its powerful specs and aggressive pricing. If you're looking for flagship performance without spending a fortune, this phone might just be your next upgrade. Design and display: sleek meets stunning. The Poco F7 Ultra features a premium glass metal sandwich design with a matte finish and curved edges. Up front, you're greeted with a 6.8-inch AMOLED display, offering 2K resolution, LTPO 3.0, and a 144 Hz refresh rate. It's a visual treat for gamers and binge watchers alike, with Dolby Vision and HDR10+ support ensuring top-tier media experience. Performance: Snapdragon power unleashed. Under the hood, the F7 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, built on a 3nm architecture. Combined with up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, this phone handles heavy multitasking, gaming, and productivity tasks with ease. MIUI for Poco based on Android 15 brings a smooth and refined user experience. Camera: flagship imaging at a budget. Poco surprises everyone with a triple camera setup, led by a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor with OIS. The secondary 12-megapixels ultra-wide and a 10-megapixels telephoto lens offer versatility in every shot. On the front, a 32-megapixel selfie camera captures crisp and detailed selfies. With improved AI tuning and 8K video recording, it's a camera system built for creators. Battery and charging: fast and reliable. Equipped with a 5500 mAh battery, the F7 Ultra easily lasts a full day, even with heavy use. It supports 120W hypercharge and 30W wireless charging, meaning you'll spend less time plugged in and more time on the go. Price and final thoughts: starting at just 39,999 rupees, the Poco F7 Ultra 2025 is redefining value in the flagship segment. It's a true flagship killer that delivers premium specs at a mid-range price. If you're planning to upgrade this year, the F7 Ultra deserves serious consideration. Outro: stay tuned with S-Mobile. That's all for today's review on the Poco F7 Ultra. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to S-Mobile for more cutting-edge tech content. See you in the next video.